Hey creators, I'm Kwanda, the face behind Crafty LLC. I help everyday people use their creativity, AI, and simple tools to bring their ideas to life, grow their skills, and build with confidence. And one question beginners always ask me, what am I supposed to do, or what am I supposed to say to ChatGPT? Start by talking to it like you are explaining the task to a helpful assistant. Tell it what you are creating, who it is for, what result you want, and anything it should avoid, right? You do not need to be overly complicated. You don't need a complicated prompt, formula, or technical language. You need a clear conversation. That is why I created ChatGPT for beginners. It's just a conversation. That resource focus on making AI feel practical instead of intimidating. Visit cozystationarynook.com to explore my ChatGPT for beginners. It's just a conversation class. That resource is still available. And you can start talking to AI with confidence. All right. And that is https colon / www.cozystationarynook.com, and that's COZYSTATIONERYNOOK.com. All right. So hopefully you have fun and you get the class and you learn how to just talk to ChatGPT like it's your friend. All right. Bye.